Who's yeah. I'm dead, bro. Where is my mommy? What is this? Lonely, are you sure you want to teleport the royal store? Not really. Oh, look. What is this? Look.
Yeah.
Dito natin. Oh, wait. Ka-cute. Ha?
10 trillion nagduwa.
Pindutin ba nila sila? Okay. Ay, ito na to. Yes. I'm ready to. Thank you very much. Oh. I'm gonna buy some pets. Okay, so I'm in. Some 500.
I think.
A common one.
Nana.
Another one. Another one. It's orange cat. It's looking like a dog, bro. What do you mean, cat?
You are look like a dog.
Oh, look at that. My family is here. Hello. I am Baymax. Hola, soy Doring. Oh, sige. They like the same face. We're not the same look. Mama, tita. Yes. We're not the same look. More. I look. This man is red. Ay, anything.
I am a blue.
No, this ow! I'm not gonna use it. I got yellow. Oh, aggressive one. I want to fight it. I want to fight. Oh my gosh, run. Run for your life. Run. Run for your life. So cute. Don't kill me, please. No, don't kill me, bro, please. Mama. Oh my gosh. I just saw something. Blardy. Oh my gosh.
Sabi kaya pindutin mo yung paminaw. Kung pindutin mo niya.
Where's the big little fella? Oh my gosh! Gosh, I'm gonna die! Please, no. Wait, gosh, no. Huh? Did I die? I died for now. Oh no, I died. Begin? What? Ouch! Second! Died. I just saw that baby.
Dili, basi mo